Hello everyone, my name is Dory O'Neill and welcome to my channel, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today, we're kicking off a series of videos where I'll be explaining the incredible features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. If you're looking to earn money faster and easier, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be diving into the topic of frictionless enrollment, and we'll explore how this powerful feature can set you on the path to success. Before we jump in, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments. In a moment, I'll share with you how you can gain access to Master Affiliate Profits for free, but more importantly, I'll reveal over $5,000 worth of done-for-you bonuses that will help you make money virtually immediately. So, let's talk about frictionless enrollment. This feature is designed with you in mind, offering free enrollment to join the Master Affiliate Profits platform. By eliminating the need to pay up front, more people can join freely, opening the doors for everyone to get started in affiliate marketing. John Thornhill and Omar Martin took frictionless enrollment to the next level by including, with a free membership, the ability to earn a 25% commission for any free member who markets and offers Master Affiliate Profits. This means that even as a free member, you have the potential to start earning income right away. But that's not where it stops. Free members also earn a 100% commission on the one-time offer that is presented as you progress through the included sales funnel. This gives you a direct financial incentive to engage with the offers. Additionally, you have the opportunity to earn a 20% upgrade commission if any of your customers purchase products offered by third parties within the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And on top of that, there's a 10% commission for any of your members who purchase paid traffic offered inside the Master Affiliate Profits platform. Now let's move on to the exciting concept of the one-link feature. When a member joins Master Affiliate Profits, they are one-linked for life to their MAP enroller. This means that the enroller will earn a commission anytime their member makes a purchase, whether it's on day one or 3 years later. This powerful benefit creates a recurring income stream with ease, providing lasting financial support. Now, let's discuss the incredible bonuses you'll receive for joining my Master Affiliate Profits team. When you enroll through my link, you'll gain access to the $5,000 done-for-you YouTube viral funnel, which is expertly designed to help you drive traffic and generate leads. You'll also receive 2 done-for-you email sequences that seamlessly integrate with your funnel, ensuring you're set up for success right from the start. Additionally, my exclusive 365 days of Master Affiliate Profits motivational emails will keep you and your new members inspired and engaged as you embark on this journey. Plus, you'll have access to live training sessions filled with tips and strategies to maximize your affiliate marketing success, along with a free organic traffic bonus that enhances your earning potential. To take full advantage of what Master Affiliate Profits has to offer, I encourage you to take the free test drive of my 10-part YouTube viral funnel and these incredible bonuses. Just click the link in the description below and let's get you started on your road to success. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop your questions in the comments. I look forward to meeting you online and supporting your journey with Master Affiliate Profits. See you soon.